In this video, I'll explain how to add an image block to your quiz questions or to the results page. To add an image block to a question, open the Questions section in the Quiz Builder. Pick an existing question, or create a new one. Then click Add Block. From the list of available blocks, select Image and click Add. Once the image block is added, you can move it to a different position within your question. Open the Image Settings, click Select Image, and choose from your stored images or upload a new one from your computer. After adding the image, you can change it or remove it at any time. You'll also see options to add alternative text for accessibility, adjust the image height, tiny, small, medium, large, or adapt to the original image size, and set the alignment. Alignment, left, center, or right, works best with smaller or medium images. When you're happy with the settings, save your changes and preview the question to see how the image looks. To add an image block to the results page, go to the Results section, choose a section, and click Add Block. Select Image, then position it where you want. Just like before, upload or select an image, adjust the height and alignment, and save your changes. Once that's done, preview your quiz to see how the image will look on the results page. To learn more, visit our Help Center at docs.revenuehunt.com.